My name is Andrew McCluskey. I own 50% of BEP Surface Technologies along with my partner Steve. BEP are electroplaters and precision grinders. Our biggest machines are 8 to 9 metres between centres and up to 1.5 metre diameter, and the tanks 15,000 litres each. There's no other plants left in the UK this size. BEP approach Made Smarter because we recognised the need to go on that digital journey. There was a pilot scheme run by Made Smarter in the Northwest, and we were part of that pilot scheme. BEP undertook 2 projects, a digital cloud scan of the whole factory so that we can plan space, etc. We're taking old machines and repurposing them and bringing them up to modern day. I couldn't buy a modern day machine that does what these machines do. The modern day equivalents are half the weight, and whereas if we're controlling 20-ton components, it's got to have some substance to be able to hold them properly and accurately. We're working to within 3 and 4 microns, so these machines are ideal. I just need to bring them into the modern age. The team were brilliant. They really were helpful. They made it so simple. I've been through grant processes before and umpteen stages, and at the end of it you're still not guaranteed the project. We had a 2-hour round table with the team and with my team, and from then on it just flowed. It was really easy. Our workforce have taken this on board, but they were very sceptical at the start, and we had to convince them and show them the benefits of doing this and how it would improve their jobs and improve the accuracy. I'd just like to thank Made Smarter for having the insights, and UK government having the insight to see the requirement and the necessity to do this, because it's vital for UK manufacturing that we upskill and compete with the rest of the world, and the only way we're going to do it is be niche and go digital, no question.